The Shelby GT500 is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive excellence, a testament to the relentless pursuit of power, performance, and precision. Born from the collaboration between Ford and Carroll Shelby, the GT500 represents the pinnacle of muscle car engineering, blending raw power with refined craftsmanship. It is a vehicle that transcends mere transportation, embodying the spirit of freedom, innovation, and the open road. To talk about the Shelby GT500 is to delve into a legacy that has shaped the automotive industry and captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. The story of the Shelby GT500 begins in the 1960s, a golden era for American muscle cars. Carroll Shelby, a legendary figure in the automotive world, had already made a name for himself as a race car driver and engineer. His vision was to create a car that could dominate both the track and the street, combining brute force with agility. The result was the original Shelby GT500, introduced in 1967 as a high-performance variant of the Ford Mustang. It was an instant icon, with its aggressive design, thunderous V8 engine, and unmatched performance. The GT500 quickly became a symbol of American power and ingenuity, a car that could outpace its competitors and leave a lasting impression wherever it went. Over the decades, the Shelby GT500 has evolved, but its core essence has remained unchanged. It is a car that demands attention, not just for its striking appearance but for the engineering marvel that lies beneath its hood. The modern Shelby GT500 is a masterpiece of automotive design, featuring a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that produces over 700 horsepower. This powerhouse of an engine is paired with an advanced transmission system, ensuring that every ounce of power is delivered to the wheels with precision. The result is a car that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, a feat that puts it in the same league as some of the world's most exotic supercars. But the Shelby GT500 is not just about speed, it is about the experience. Sitting behind the wheel of a GT500 is like strapping into a rocket ship. The roar of the engine, the feel of the steering wheel in your hands, and the surge of acceleration as you press the pedal all combine to create a sensory overload. It is a car that engages all your senses, making every drive an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're cruising down a highway or tearing up a racetrack, the GT500 delivers a level of excitement that is hard to match. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Shelby GT500 is its ability to balance power with precision. While it is undeniably a muscle car, it is also a car that handles with the finesse of a sports car. Advanced suspension systems, aerodynamic enhancements, and cutting-edge technology ensure that the GT500 remains planted and responsive, even at high speeds. This combination of raw power and refined handling is what sets the GT500 apart from its competitors. It is a car that can dominate on the track while still being comfortable enough to drive every day. The design of the Shelby GT500 is another area where it excels. From its aggressive front grille to its muscular rear haunches, every inch of the GT500 exudes power and presence. The car's aerodynamic features are not just for show, they are carefully engineered to improve performance, reducing drag and increasing downforce. Inside, the GT500 offers a blend of luxury and sportiness, with high-quality materials, advanced infotainment systems, and ergonomic seating. It is a car that looks as good as it performs, a true work of art on wheels. The Shelby GT500 is also a car that carries a rich legacy. It is a symbol of American innovation and determination, a reminder of what can be achieved when passion and skill come together. Carroll Shelby's vision was to create a car that could outperform anything else on the road, and the GT500 is a testament to that vision. It is a car that has been refined and perfected over the years, but it has never lost sight of its roots. The GT500 is a celebration of the muscle car era, a time when cars were more than just machines, they were expressions of freedom and individuality. In many ways, the Shelby GT500 is a reflection of the American spirit. It is bold, powerful, and unapologetic, a car that refuses to be ignored. It represents the idea that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. The GT500 is not just a car, it is a statement, a declaration of what can be achieved when you push the boundaries of what is possible. It is a car that inspires, that makes you dream of the open road and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The Shelby GT500 is also a car that brings people together. It is a car that sparks conversations, that turns heads wherever it goes. It is a car that creates memories, whether it's the thrill of a first drive or the pride of owning a piece of automotive history. The GT500 is more than just a machine, it is a cultural icon, a symbol of a bygone era that continues to resonate with people today. It is a car that connects generations, bridging the gap between the past and the present. In conclusion, the Shelby GT500 is a car that defies expectations. It is a car that combines power, precision, and passion in a way that few others can. It is a car that carries a rich legacy, a symbol of American ingenuity and determination. But more than anything, the Shelby GT500 is a car that inspires. It is a car that makes you dream, that reminds you of the joy of driving and the freedom of the open road. It is a car that captures the imagination and leaves a lasting impression. The Shelby GT500 is not just a car, it is a legend, a masterpiece, and a testament to the power of dreams.